Hi, I thought that I would offer a walkthrough of Flipgrid because I use it all the time in the library. I love it. The students seem to really enjoy putting stuff together. And during Ardsley's continual learning plan, I think this is a good way for us to see our students who I know we miss and to let them see each other, because I know they miss each other while they are doing some of our coursework. So you go to flipgrid.com. It'll turn to info.flipgrid.com. And you go to educator sign up. And you're going to sign up with Google. Use that. I already have it, so it's going to be a little bit different than what you'll see. I use it all the time. Like I said, I have all of these flips or grids, but let's add a new grid for this video. So here, the grid is like the umbrella over the topics that you're going to be sending the students to. So you can break it down by course or by grade level, whatever you think will work best for you. So let's say I would do library voices. And then what the grid type that you want is school email, because that will make it so that only students who are using at ardsleeschools.org will be able to add to the grid, which is somewhat important. And there it is at ardsleeschools.org. It's only there because I already had it filled in. You will have to write it yourself. So let's go to my grid. All right, library voices, yay. This is the first topic. And like I said, this is what you're going to be sending your students to. I don't often use the entire grid. I tend to focus them on one specific thing. And you can, let's just edit this one totally. We don't need to say hello, although you might want your kids to say hello first. But if it's library voices, we're doing something in the library. So let's do book talks. And 1 minute and 30 seconds is an awful long time to talk, although 5 minutes for a screencastify is not enough time to talk. Go figure. But I find that 45 seconds is a good amount of time. It gives the students who may speak a little more slowly than others just enough time to explain everything that they have to answer the question. But most kids can be done in 25 seconds easy, depending on the depth of your questions and what you want them to do. Speaking of which, this is the prompt. Add a question. Please tell us about the book you are reading. Do you love it? Why? Is it not your cup of tea? Why not? Okay. The focus, it's optional. You don't have to have it, but it is kind of fun. I do want to delete that one because it was a little bit annoying. I'm going to add a GIF. I'm going to go with book and, bell. So there we go. Topic tip might be something like, don't forget to mention title and author. You can add things to it. I generally don't find that that's a necessary thing, but you might think that it really works. Like you can have them read from here and then discuss what they've read. If you want to moderate, then the video will come to you at your email first, and then you can okay it. I find that it's easier to do actually in the program. Student-to-student replies, maybe after the first round, and that way we can teach them how to correctly respond to one another in a digital forum. It is active, never end. I do like video titles. I do not like video counts. That gets a little bit itchy, I think, with same thing as like likes and who didn't like mine and who hasn't been watching mine. So it's better for them not to know. And they love video editing. So I would